Just because you're on a tight budget shouldn't mean you have to compromise on accuracy and performance. Specifically designed for education, the TBS1000B-EDU Oscilloscope is part of a complete courseware ecosystem developed to help educators create and edit lab material, access and share information with students and colleagues, and enable students to review, perform, and document their lab work directly on the oscilloscope. Packed with features, a 5-year warranty, and a proven heritage of Tektronix oscilloscope innovations, the TBS1000B-EDU is designed to make teaching labs more useful and efficient at a price that won't break your budget. It all starts with Tektronix's proprietary sampling technology. Unlike other entry-level scopes which limit the sample rate when using multiple channels, each TBS1000B-EDU model delivers 10 times oversampling on all channels all the time, and with bandwidths of up to 200 MHz, you won't have to sacrifice performance. To capture waveforms, the TBS1000B-EDU instruments utilize advanced triggering. Customizable edge, pulse, and video triggers enable you to quickly capture your signals, even if they occur randomly or infrequently. Once captured, signal information is easily viewed on the 7-inch high-resolution display. The wider screen efficiently shows waveform data, measurement results, and provides easy access to the user-friendly menu controls, inspired by the user interface found on the award-winning Tektronix mid-range oscilloscopes. You can see even more signal detail by using the magnifier feature. Just adjust the zoom to see 2x, 5x, or 10x magnifications and position the zoom window over the area of interest. To quickly and reliably calculate important signal characteristics, you can add, subtract, or multiply your waveforms using the advanced math capabilities, or access any of the 34 automated measurements such as rise time, edge count, or frequency. Performing a Fourier analysis is a snap using the dedicated FFT button. The TBS1000B-EDU is capable of simultaneously showing both the frequency and time domain of your waveforms, providing a convenient way to see the relationship between the two domains. 2 integrated 6-digit frequency counters are also standard features. Independent control of each counter's trigger level provides an easy way to monitor 2 different signal frequencies simultaneously. In a teaching setting, one of the major challenges is being able to share clear and concise lab instructions with students. Tektronix solved this problem by designing the TBS1000B-EDU, the world's first dedicated teaching scope, and creating a complete courseware ecosystem for educators. Lab material created with a Windows-based Courseware application can be loaded directly onto the instrument. Students can then review the lab objectives, perform step-by-step lab instructions, collect data, and generate reports, all on the oscilloscope. Tektronix has also created a Courseware landing page and repository to facilitate the sharing of lab materials and ideas. You can search for specific material, and content can be easily uploaded to or downloaded from the site. The TBS1000B-EDU also comes with the unique feature that can disable and enable the Autoset function using a password, ensuring that students are actually learning about instrument concepts instead of relying on the automatic setup button. For questions about oscilloscope operation, you can simply press the Help button to access the context-sensitive help system, which automatically provides information specific to the task you're working on. Some value-priced oscilloscopes make you give up data handling and remote control capabilities. Not the TBS1000B-EDU. It supports easy data transfer and a fully documented command set for remote control. Just one button push saves your waveform or setup data to a flash drive plugged into the front panel USB host port. A back panel USB device port is backed by a comprehensive set of commands for PC control. Each TBS1000B-EDU comes with high-quality, CSA-approved 10x voltage probes, one for each channel. And for more complex measurement needs, Tektronix also offers optional 10x 1x passive probes and compatible current, differential, or high-voltage probes that support a variety of applications. The TBS1000B-EDU is the world's first teaching oscilloscope, dedicated to helping engineers of today and tomorrow.
Find out more at Vicom's website.